I'm not in my happy place, Eddy!
Earth has been blessed by the lot of Ed Boy buffoonery. Ro finally feels safe enough up here.
Oh!